Last time on Exploring Dirt with Dan and Carm.
A not passable dam. Yeah, look at that. But that darn trestle, we're gonna find it yet.
Yeah.
Mark my words, we're gonna find you, trestle. So, after yesterday's bust, not finding the trestle, we decided to go somewhere else. And we are in fact looking for something really amazing. All right. Okay, so we're back and we were way off. So we were climbing a couple of hills and then a local came by and is like, "Are you lost?" We're like, "Kinda." So he led us to where we wanted to be, which is where we're standing now. Below us is Oro Denoro Mine,
Yes.
amongst other things that are around here.
Yeah, so the train wreck, after climbing a couple of very steep hills and not being able to find it because we thought we were in the right spot, we were 2 kilometers off. The train wreck is right around here, and he kind of pinpointed the location. Apparently there's not much left of it.
No, it's been pretty pillaged over the years, apparently.
Yeah, but we're gonna see if we can see part of it anyways.
Yeah.
But we are gonna go up. You can't get into Oro Denoro very far because it is filled with water, but we're gonna go up and check it out anyways.
Yep, and then around here as well, there's a couple other cool things we're gonna find, I hope. So stay tuned, we'll take you along.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're gonna go to the upper shaft first. Let Carmen go first. So, my son Austin was just up here and he was saying it's quite a bit of water inside. So we'll see what we can see.
He said the water actually has a current.
Yeah. So if that's the case, we were told there were some ore carts in here, but I don't think we're gonna be able to get to them if there's that much water.
4 or 5 of them.
Oh, there's some cold air. That feels nice on a hot day. Turn around. Okay, you want to go down first or up?
Down.
Now, really cool, you can already see down here on the ground, copper.
Yeah.
So all the green here is old copper and stuff. So that must be what they mined out here, is probably mainly copper amongst other things, who knows what else. Let's go in. Got our flashlights. Oh, it's nice and cool in here. It was hot out there, holy smokes. Hi.
Hi. Try not to just, slide down here.
I don't need my flashlight yet, I guess.
This is cool.
Yeah, very
cool.
cool.
Phone back now.
What's that?
On the way out, I want a couple of photos.
Wow, look at all the dig out and stuff. They had to blast that. There's no way they could do that by hand. Crazy. Oh, that feels so nice. It's got to be 26 degrees outside right now.
Yeah, it's warm.
Oh, this is just an ending right here. This doesn't go anywhere. So that tells me that they did core samples through here. I didn't find anything.
Oh, yeah.
But it's still a cool cavern,
Well,
though.
they did above us, though.
Oh, yeah, they dug that right out.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we'll go check out the other side now. Yeah, wild. Look at the size of these caverns. Big opening up top. And all those little holes and stuff in there is where they were drilling in looking for, pulling the core samples out looking for minerals. Yeah, this is pretty wild. So we're gonna go check out the next side now.
Oh, I'm gonna stay in there. It's hot out here.
That's super cool, all those big old beams. Oh, well, we can always scramble up to the other side here.
Yeah.
A little scramble.
Sure. No, I'll scramble up over here.
Okay, walking up the other side. There's the trucks down there.
Oh.
Cool.
I'm getting dripped on.
Oh yeah? That sounded a good mine.
It's water.
That's some water, all right.
Yeah.
Here, I put my phone in my pocket. I'm gonna see how bad that is and how far it goes.
Well, look down, because you never know if there's a
Drop off, yeah.
drop off underneath you.
I have to get too wet. But that water looks like it stops right there. Uh-oh. An old spring
Yeah.
down there. See it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna trick this back at you. Jump in. Okay. Oh yeah, it's pretty deep in this one spot here, but try not to get wet anyway. Some old ties down there.
Yeah.
Yeah. No track though, just ties.
Track's been pulled up.
Yeah, track's been pulled up. Okay, I'm just gonna go a little further.
See, this is why we need to bring boots.
Yeah. No, it's not very deep. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, I didn't bring boots for this, so yeah. Darn it. I'm only a couple seconds in, my feet are already wet.
Well, at least we know where it is.
Yeah.
Come back.
Yeah, see, look at that, it goes way down there. Really cool, right? All right, we're gonna have to come back with some good old water boots. Darn it. Well, that's too bad. Okay, well, that was kind of a bust. So we're gonna go down below and see what the bottom one has to offer. Hopefully something. It looks pretty wet though, too.
Yeah.
But apparently right above us here, like literally somewhere up in this area, is where the train derailment is.
That
I'm
way.
hoping.
Go that way. To your right.
What's in there?
Another shaft. Add it.
Okay, well, let's go check it out. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't fallen yet.
Oh, there's a big one. Maybe we'll luck out this time.
Don't know what Austin was talking about. River.
Oh, this looks like more of a stope.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no, maybe not. Nope, we're good. But yeah, this is all it is. There's an empty cavern.
Oh, I went all the way up here for that.
Yeah, you sure did. And there's even timbers down here for what reason, I don't know. Maybe they started building it, realized there's nothing in here, and called it quits.
Oh.
Oh, that's too bad. So we decided to go down the road a little bit, and we are at what we think is Emma Mine,
Yeah.
perhaps?
According to the people we ran into that own this woodlot, yeah.
So we climbed up a little trail. It looked like it was coal, so I assumed there was a coal mine.
I guess so.
Yeah.
That was a big tailings pile of coal.
Yes.
So, but we've seen a few things so far in the few seconds we've been here. Looks like a little shack right behind us, so we're gonna go and check this area out and see what we can find.
Yeah, hopefully find some cool stuff. Well, that's a cool little shack,
The rose bush.
but
Rose bush.
it is just a shack.
It's a shack?
It doesn't go anywhere. It's just a little, I don't know, maybe it was a root cellar or something at one point. I have no idea. Like,
Well,
it's only about 4 feet tall.
There was a whole town, like not town site, but a camp up here.
Like a settlement, right?
Yeah, because when I was talking to her, she said there was cabins and stuff around here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming in this brush, this really dense brush, there's maybe some old buildings in here. I don't know. Oh, that thing goes back a little further than I thought.
Oh.
There's a tree growing through the center of it. It's still only 4 feet tall, but it comes over here.
Interesting.
And there is a road right there. All right, after some successful searching, I found the mine. Obviously, it's pretty easy to find because there's a big sign that says danger mine site. But this one apparently is a stope. Goes straight down, so I'm not sure just how well we can go into it, if at all. Oh, it's right there. That's...
Yeah.
I'm going to try and get to it though. Hi. It's hot out here today. You want to go for a swim? Yeah, that's a big one. That's just basically all water. So if you want to go for a swim, that's the place you want to go. Gross.
Get some brain-eating amoeba in your brain.
Pretty much. But I wonder if that's the only one. I'm not sure.
There's another one over here. Filled in too.
Anyway, this is pretty cool. And we're finding lots of stuff today, but nothing we can really venture into. So, Carmen said she found some buildings. We're going to trek down that way and have a look. And since, unlike everybody else, we're wearing pants. So when you go exploring, wear pants.
Or pants.
Because you never know where you're going to end up. I mean,
Yeah.
it's way better than shorts, I'll tell you.
And these boots go up to here, so.
Way better.
Rose bushes too.
Wild.
I don't know how the terracotta stuff is.
Terracotta used to be used for stoves and stuff, right?
Well, honey, because those boards are not strong.
Yeah, I would.
Settle under it.
Well,
Yeah,
the
but
2x12s, I think we're okay.
no, it's the ones he's standing on. Like,
No,
I
this is
still
good.
have
This is
the
a beam.
That's a beam.
This is a structural beam one.
Anyway, yeah,
I promise,
here,
I know where I'm stepping.
all kinds of.
Yeah, oh look, there's a whole big foundation right there.
I know. Yeah, not sure what this would have been, but.
Yeah, this is quite the foundation here.
And then
And-
there's a great big hole,
Oh,
which looks like it might have been another stope, but it's all filled in.
yeah. Well, the other one was too, well, with water.
So it just kind of ends.
Yeah.
But it's right beside this building.
This one might have been for coal, that's what I...
Well, this one looks like it's closer to where we were. That's the only coal tailings I saw was what we walked up.
You see all the pipe coming out of it to the side right there?
Yeah.
I saw coal tailings, but then I'm finding all of this, right?
What are you finding?
Shiny rocks that are not coal.
Oh, yeah.
See? It's all the like pyrite and iron
Yeah.
stuff.
That's a cool foundation, though. Big, right beside a mine.
Yeah.
That could have been a big pump station or something, you know?
This is probably the pump station.
Because if they had to pull water out of it like that,
There is, because there's pipes going into that hole right there.
that makes sense. Could be a pipe
Being
station
attacked by a beetle.
or a pump
Oh.
station. Wild.
Yeah, very cool.
You know what else is wild?
Is that
I just
all
got
that's in
attacked
here?
by 2 beetles in the span of 1 second.
Is that all that's over here is what we're seeing?
Yeah, this is it.
Okay.
I haven't
I
seen
mean-
anything else.
There might have been more, but
Nature's doing its thing.
it's just kind of
You know, see, it's all flat
gone
all the way
back to
through here,
nature.
right?
Yeah, up
So-
there too.
Come back
Yeah,
in the fall,
there had to
and
have
see.
been some sort of buildings through here as well where you're looking.
Oh,
Okay.
wait a sec.
Yeah, what else we got going on down here?
A whole bunch of pipes down there. See?
Oh, yeah, look at that. Yeah, gotta be.
Oh, metal rods coming out.
This has to be a pump station. What else could it be? It's too big.
Yeah.
Same with these big pipes here coming out everywhere.
Yeah.
Because they would have had to pump the water out, but how would they find the ore if it was full of water to begin with? That's the weird thing.
See, it's not just
Well, see, look at the tailings
it's not
pile.
just coal. I mean, that was coal, but look at this.
That one's nice.
I might take that.
Yeah. So here's some tailings here. So that definitely was a mine. Tailings go all the way along here. Here's some cable.
This looks like it burnt down. 1 point. See?
Yeah. I see that. Some big cables there. Or
Who knows?
who knows?
Well, this was cool.
Yeah. Neat find. All right, Sunday is upon us, and the adventure for this weekend has come to an end, unfortunately. And now we are standing with our feet in the Kettle River to cool off because, damn, it's hot.
34 degrees out there. This is a great place to come and cool off. And right behind us is the Kettle Valley Railway Trestle that is now part of the Trans-Canada Trail. A little bit of history behind us. But
Yeah.
it was a fantastic weekend, and we couldn't end it without stopping at Deadwood Junction for a snack before we headed home. Tacos and hot dogs, very delicious. Now we're going to, now that we've cooled off, we're going to take the rest of the trek home.
Yep.
Yeah.
It was all in all a very good weekend. Unfortunately, we couldn't find everything we were looking for. Did find some cool stuff. But that darn trestle, we're going to find it yet.
Yeah.
Mark my words, we're going to find you, trestle.
We're gonna come back.
That's the second year we've been looking for the damn thing.
Yeah, and we were like so close twice now. So anyways, another time we'll
Yep.
come back. Another reason to come back to this amazing place. Anyways, thank you so much for joining us. Please make sure, if you have not subscribed already, to click that subscribe button, like and comment. And as always, we really appreciate you following our adventures. Until next time.
Cheers.